Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the internships for law students. If you are not a law student, then comment your educational qualification, job role you are looking for. So let's jump into our first job role for today. First job is from the company Zion Consulting Private Limited. Role is company secretary, trainees or interns. Location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. If you are studying any of these law, then you are eligible to apply. So if you are a law student looking for an internship, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second post is from the company Point. Role is LLB Intern, law interns. Location is New Delhi, India. Here they have mentioned we are looking for law interns for our office in Malviya Nagar, New Delhi, South Delhi. Please apply with your CV. And must have skills are good communication skills, open to learn and work. If you are eligible to apply, click on the apply button. Then this application form will open. Fill the basic details here, first name, last name, contact number, email address, and then drop your CV here. After filling all the details, click on the submit application button and submit it. Third internship is from Ashish Tyagi Advocate. Location is Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Any law student can apply. So if you are a law student, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth internship is from the company AKJ Attorneys and Solicitors LLP. Location is Gurgaon, Haryana. This is all about the internship. Here they have mentioned the student must be available for full-time internship, can start between 23rd March to 27th April and available for 2 months, have relevant skills and interest. If you are eligible to apply, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fifth internship is from the company Basil Law Chambers. Location is West Delhi. Here they have mentioned about the law firm and only those candidates can apply who are available for full-time internship, are available for duration of 4 weeks, have relevant skills and interest, any law student from any year pursuing the 5-year or 3-year law degree program from a recognized university. If you are eligible to apply, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Sixth internship is from the company Namah IP Solutions. Location is Thane, Maharashtra, and this internship is hybrid they have mentioned. This is a vacancy for the post of legal intern in Namah IP Solution. We deal intellectual property right matters. Interested candidates may forward their resume on namahipsolutions@gmail.com or connect with us on this number. Candidate will get good exposure in IPR and company law. So if you are eligible to apply, if you are interested in IPR, then share your resume to this email ID namahipsolutions@gmail.com and also connect with them on this number and click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our last internship for today. It's from the company Rajendra Law Office, Corporate Lawyers, Criminal Advocates, Civil Attorneys, Service Matters. Location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They have just mentioned required legal intern at our Mogappar office and High Court office. If you are eligible to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. These were all the internship for law students for today. You can find the link in the description and apply for all these roles. If you want more internship like this, you can comment in the comment section internship. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.